Hello YouTube, how you doing Earthlings? For some reason my counter only appears after about 3 seconds, so if I'm looking off into the camera, into my screen, sorry about that. Right, hello Earthlings, how you doing? I've already said that bit. Right, this is a very short little video. I just wanted to show you something I've just made. Well, I made it last night actually. I made it for a YouTuber, Mecha. Because he's done about his 4th live stream, I think, his Tuesday Hangout, which was on building hands. He's shown it before, but he showed, I can just show you actually, because that'll be a whole lot easier. Where's my, sorry, I've got a purry cat right in front of me, so in fact I can just show you her very quickly. I can unscrew that. There's my little Rosie purring away. My little blind cat Rosie. But yeah, Mecha. So I've got it right at the right place.
Dark Buzz, what about you? How's it going? Tom, nice one. Good to see you, Tom. We the answer. Nice one, we the answer. Dark, I was just checking out some of Dark Buzz's knives. He made some is it 1/6 scale knives. I don't know, he'll keep it right in the comments anyway. But yeah, I was showing that off last stream. That's the world's smallest penknife. I don't know, Darth, you might enjoy that. But yeah, let's see. I'll get it.
So am I still recording? Has it gone white and I've lost all the footage? No. So I thought challenge accepted. I'm going to make a smaller penknife. I think it was bought by his girlfriend Melanie. So I don't want to sort of piss on her fire, as the expression goes. No, not a great expression. But I don't want to be mine smaller than yours. Big up, one-upmanship or one-downmanship in this case. But anyway, so I took this. It's going to be quite hard to show you with Rosie sitting here, but I'll try and show you what I've done. So I took the end of this very tiny bit of paintbrush handle that I had, so I whipped off about that much of it, about 1.5 centimeters, and then I cut off this. I had this very thin bit of metal which I haven't been able to use for weapons, the swords and knives and things, so I just whipped off that bit of metal. I should have shown you making it really, but I made it last night, as I said, and it was dark, and it would the film wouldn't come out very well. So I thought I'd just show you the finished article. And well, here it is, the world's smallest penknife. And it doesn't look like a penknife that yet, but when I go like this, you can just get your nail in the end of the blade, and there we are. There is the world's. Is that the world's smallest penknife? It probably isn't, but it's going to be smaller than Mecha's one, I'm sure. Yeah, I just used this little disc thing to cut down into the penknife, and then I put an edge on the blade, polished up the blade, and then I drilled a hole through, right through, got a bit of wire in there, super glued it here, super glued it there, and covered all of the wood in super glue to make sure it's nice and strong and it doesn't fall apart. And I'm going to post it off to Andy right now. Now, he lives in Northern Ireland, I live in England, and I've been assured by people on the interweb that stamps work for Northern Ireland because it's still part of Great Britain, i.e. United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. No, so it's still part of the United Kingdom. Northern Ireland is, and the stamps work. I'm sure I've sent stuff to Northern Ireland before with normal stamps. Yeah, I have, because I've sold stuff to Northern Ireland when I was doing all my eBaying. Oh, those were the days when I used to actually make some money out of bits and pieces of junk that I pick up. Now I just put it in my flat and just do nothing with it, because I've lost my mojo when it comes to eBaying, selling stuff. I just buy things now, and I can't barely afford to buy things at all anyway, because of employment support allowance doesn't stretch to being able to buy art supplies and stuff to make things with. But anyway, I'm struggling through. I'm probably going to have to get back into selling stuff soon, although I've sold most of my Star Wars collection now and toy collection. Probably 2/3 of it, 3/4 of it, unfortunately. But anyway, that's completely off the subject. So I've got Andy's address. He very kindly gave me his address, and I won't be visiting him in the small hours to put about up his night dress. I've already been to Northern Ireland 3 times within the last 5 years, and those 4, 5, 6 years. Once to move my mate over there from Hertfordshire to Northern Ireland, and then once for a job interview in Northern Ireland, and then once to move my mate back from Northern Ireland back to Hertfordshire. So anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, showing you my smallest penknife in the world. Yeah, it is in there somewhere. There it is. I hope you enjoy it, Andy. I don't want any, well, I just wanted to see what it looks like next to your one, that's all. See what I've done on someone else's video. That'd be really fun. That's all I want to do. Only took me half an hour, like I said. A little bit of electricity, using my handpiece, my marathon micromotor, with some rubber wheels and polishing rubber wheels and my little grinding stones, and then a file to make the sharp edge on it. It's not going to be cutting sharp, but I'd imagine you'd be able to draw it down a bit of paper and cut it, maybe with a bit of effort. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and Andy Mecha, I hope you enjoy your new little toy. And I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Thanks for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and goodbye. Be careful out there. What do I say to my birds every morning? I decided to say, have a good day, be lucky. That's what I say to all my animals I feed every morning. The foxes, and then all of the birds, and the waterfowl, and the pigeons, and the gulls, and that, and crows, and magpies, and have a good day, be lucky. That might be my new one, not be careful out there. Although be careful out there, have a good day and be lucky. Yeah, that would be it. Okay, goodbye.